Hey, DirtFarmerJay from DirtFarmerJay.com. Well, since we put out a video about the use of the front loader washer, we've had several review requests and came across this product, the WonderBall from Mystic Wonders. Well, we gave it a shot, see how it turned out. Hey, DirtFarmerJay here from DirtFarmerJay.com. Dirt Farmer Maggie and I really enjoy the front loader washer that we use here, and we have put out several videos about how to keep them clean, how to use them well, and what type of laundry products work really well. If you want to check out those videos, we'll have them listed in the description below, and you can check out our main one right up here, why we think front loaders are best. But in the meanwhile, we come across laundry products, and this is an unusual one, but it was referred to us by somebody else that we've actually reviewed another product, ratchet straps. Our friends Brad and Sarah Willardson of Omega Strap, they use this product and said, you got to get one of these and try it. We simply use this ball in our laundry machine without any detergent, and it works really well for us. So I had to give it a try. So Fern Gunderson of Mystic Wonders Incorporated out of the central part of the United States in Iowa sent me a couple kits here for us to try. Now, one of this is a complete laundry system. One is one of the Mystic Wonder Balls right here, a Wonder Ball, plus 2 dryer balls. This ball right here never goes in the dryer, but these simply go into the dryer and separate the clothes as they dry. And we'll take a look at those another time. That's not the main focus of today's episode. But here that's included in the kit is one of the Wonder Balls. They come in purple or yellow. And we've been using this ball. Now, it has a liquid, a proprietary liquid in it, a blend of minerals that Fern claims creates a field around this that actually puts the water into the state that's optimized for cleaning. She's a firm believer and has been doing this since about 1997 with this product, that it's the water that does the cleaning, and if you can make the water wetter so that it flows through the clothing, it's the water that'll remove any soil and stain. So we've run about 10 loads with this now. And I got to tell you, it's been doing well. We don't have any residue. Things are clean. They smell good. Anything that's heavily soiled, whether it's like, as she calls it, ring around the collar, personal stains, stains outside from like grease or that, those can all be pre-spotted. And her recommendation right here on the package here is if it's for ring around the collar for personal stains, use some diluted baby shampoo. That's what she does. For heavy duty stains, she just recommends pre-spotting some areas with diluted dish soap. All right, so we gave it a shot. We've run it. This isn't a scratch and sniff channel, so you can't smell the clothes. But to use it, all you do is simply put it in the inner drum along with the clothes, run the clothes, the normal cycle. We like to use warm or hot water, although many people that we've written or that we've seen write in testimonials say they use it with cold water as well. And then once the cycle's down, we remove the clothes, transfer them to the dryer, and we just leave this ball in there for the next use. Doesn't make a lot of noise. It's a vinyl, a virgin vinyl PVC. And is injected with, and there's enough room in it to have it slosh around, which she says is the magic that of creating a little bit of an energy field around it with these proprietary minerals. So far, it looks like it's working out well. If you have any feedback or have used some other products like this, we'd love to hear from you. Also, in the description below, there's a blog that we found where another reviewer does reviews on these laundry type of balls. This is not the only one that's out there, but this is the one we're familiar with. It looks like it's very well made. So you can check out that blog as well, just to see what is being said out there and how it works. So what should you expect to pay for this product? This is Fern Gunderson's Mystic Wonders Incorporated.com, and you can go right there and look up all the products there. But what should you expect to pay? And how long does it last? She claims that this will last about 3 years. There's other people, testimonials are written say it lasts at least that long and it's still going strong. If you buy one ball at the time of filming right now, it's $42, okay? Or you can get 2 for $70. If you buy the kit like this, which comes with one of the balls right here and 2 of the dryer balls, a single kit is $53 or 2 for $90. And if indeed it does do that kind of cleansing for 3 years, where your cost for load is pretty low. Well, check it out yourself or check out those other blog items down below and see what you think. If you'd like to acquire one of these, you can simply go to mysticwondersinc.com. Now, here's another thing that you might find to be interesting in your laundry room. How good is the laundry machine you have? Well, check out this video where we make the case for why front loaders like this are the very best and why they do the best job and the best economics. And also check out this other video that YouTube has chosen from our catalog because they think it's what you're really interested in. And we hope so too. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from DirtFarmerJay.com.